Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CHUWI HiPad X. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Following that, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Now select Send on an Android and Receive on CHUWI. I just need to rotate it real quick, and now from here you need to select all of those dots on your Android smartphone and just send. This way you can select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one. Just send and tap on Get It. Over here you need to choose No Thanks and close this window, and after that we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on CHUWI, then tapping on Allow and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and choose Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!